Welcome to Water Opcert School's Distribution System Operator Exam Preparation Series for grades 1 and 2. Moving on to example number 43 on the top of page 69. Now we have, looks like a time period in minutes for all the answers. And very beginning of the question, how long is it going to take? Okay, so the length of time in minutes. All right, so how long is it going to take water to travel 2.5 miles from a treatment plant pumping station to a distribution system storage tank when the velocity is 4 feet per second? So we're given a velocity this time. We're not calculating it, and we're also given a distance of 2.5 miles. Okay, so going back to the pie chart relationship for distance, velocity, and time, with distance on the top and velocity and time on the bottom. Okay, so in this case, we're solving for time. And so it's going to be distance over velocity. But we also want to be aware of the fact that since distance is measured in feet and velocity in feet per second, feet cancels out and we end up with the time period in seconds. So we will have to do a time conversion at the end once we figure out how many seconds are involved. So to set up the equation, time is going to first be calculated in seconds by dividing distance in feet by velocity in feet per second. Yeah, feet cancels out, top and bottom, and we end up with our time in seconds. Well, in this case, we don't have our distance in feet. It's 2.5 miles. So to convert miles into feet, always, we can use the number of feet in a mile, 5,280, and multiply and get the distance in feet. And then once we have that number, dividing by the velocity, which is given as 4 feet per second, will give us the amount of time that it's going to take in seconds. All right, so 2.5 miles, 2.5 times 5,280 comes out to 13,200 feet. The water is traveling at a rate of 4 feet per second. All right, so when we divide 13,200 by 4, it means it's going to, tells us it's going to take 3,300 seconds. So then the last step is to convert that into a time in minutes by dividing that 3,300 seconds by the number of seconds in a minute, which is 60. All right, so 3,300 seconds divided by 60 comes out to 55 minutes should be the amount of time required. Answer D. Thank you for viewing this video from Water Opcert School. For more general knowledge and math practice, please go to www.opcertschool.com. To purchase the practice manual that was used as part of this presentation and full videos, please visit water-opcert-school.square.site/ for the Water Opcert School online store.